Alright guys, good morning. This is the end of the line. We are almost done with this bus, and we gotta get out of here in just a day or two. As you can see, it's not even here anymore. We moved it the other night. It's now in the front of the house. It's not going back in here ever again. Wow, that was a doozy getting in and out of there. Had to basically pin it between two fences and just make micro adjustments, but these buses are pretty nimble. The turning radius is kind of amazing. So this morning, Katie and Sam got some brand new tires. Yesterday they got a hitch installed in the back to tow their Honda Element. And all I have to do is finish the shower. Let's get back to work. Man, it looks so good in here. Alright guys, so here's the concrete shower. This bus has been on 2 short trips and there's no cracks of any kind. Still no idea if this is going to work or not long term, and we don't yet know what the water is going to do to this. But we are going to, of course, finish it. So the next steps I have to take: sand it all down, grout the floor, and then seal it, and then install plumbing. It's pretty much got to happen today because in about 48 hours we got to hit the road. As you guys just saw, I just sanded the walls for the final time with 220 grit sandpaper. I also took a chisel to clean up the bottom where there's some ridges where I can't really easily sand it. It looks pretty good. There's some areas where I'm not super happy with it. We do have gray grout. I'm just going to fill those gaps with the grout. Finally, we did have some tiles break loose, unfortunately. I think it's more to do with the placement of them on this curb. These two broke off, and there's a couple loose ones. So before I grout, I'm gonna have to take a 2-part epoxy and epoxy these back into place. That way they don't go anywhere once I grout this floor. So now that our concrete walls are all sanded and cleaned up, we are going to apply a concrete sealer to the shower. Now this product is actually made for driveways and other bits of concrete, and it's a water repeller. It's probably not going to give us like 100% waterproof finish, but it was recommended by the manufacturer that this product, or at least a similar product, be used in concrete showers. So we're going to go for it with the caveat that we actually might seal this again in the future with something more waterproof, but for now, we're gonna go for it. This product is the Ghost Shield Solixa Tech 8500. So that's coat number 1 done. It's not drying consistently. Definitely don't like the drip marks that I see, but hopefully when it dries completely, those will disappear. It's supposed to be a penetrating sealer that doesn't change the appearance, so hopefully it's good. I gotta put a second coat on now, so let's do that. This is gonna dry to look decent. As I was putting the second coat on, the first coat was repelling it. It was making it beat up and not really want to get soaked in. So it seems like this stuff is doing the job it is intended to do. Only time will tell. While I let this dry, I'm gonna mix up some grout to grout the floor. Alright, so I'm mixing up some grout in a flower pot, funny enough. 1 part water, 4 parts grout, mix it up. So we got all of our grout mixed up, let's get to it. Take this. Alright, so we are all grouted, but we do want to let that grout sit for a little while, set up, before we start cleaning it with the sponge, which is the next step. To do that, we've got this tile sponge. We're going to need many, many, many buckets of cold, clean water to get this nice and cleaned up.
looks
You guys
really
think the
good.
shower looks good?
I think it looks better than good. I think it looks great.
Wow. I love the way the
Boom.
grout looks with the rest of the shower.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks peaceful. So we gotta let this grout dry before we clean off the haze that's left there. But I think I'm good to install the shower head and the shower valve trim kit. So let's do it.
Give ourselves more time. Maybe what we'll do is Val and I will actually do our grocery shopping for the bus. You can come with us if you want. I know you mentioned wanting. Anyway, I said to Golden, like, no, we said 10:30.
Whoa. Guys, we are actually out of here. I was really hoping to film something for you today, but of course it was the chaos of moving out. So I didn't film anything at all, but we got this house all cleaned up, we got this yard all cleaned up. We are ready to go. Sam's back in his bus out right now. And we're out of here.
Goodbye, rubber tree. Big, beautiful tree.
No, that's Daddy in there driving it. Nova, is that our house? Look, our house moved. Isn't that cool? He's got to focus on this really well, okay?
I said you can do it, Daddy. You can do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Yay! Go, Daddy, go!
We're out! We are out! We're out!
Cheers!
Can I see the phone actually? Guys, this is my last time working underneath this bus. Yes! It's the last time. Just gotta attach this, we're out of here. It's the last time I have to do this. Ooh, feels good. So guys, we're on the road, the bus is done. We did it! Look at this place. Oh yeah. Wait, I'm not filming. Yep, I am filming. Yeah. Uh-oh, what is that disaster? We did it though, guys. We did it. We did it, we did it, we did it. This place looks amazing. We are on the road. What do you think, Nova? How's the bus look?
Great.
Get our tables out.
What do you guys think? We're done.
Somehow we did it. Somehow we did it.
Daddy,
Yep.
how do you turn this out?
Yeah, good point. You can't turn the shower on yet.
I'm feeling really enthusiastic.
I'm so excited.
I believe it.
It was good. Vince.
All right, guys, on the road. Peace.
Why are you so excited?
There she is.
I'm actually going straight.
Are you taking a nap?
It's gotta be a puzzle. Click.
How cool is this?